K-12 program good or bad idea? For me, it's not. K-12 program is an educational program started by Aquino administration to improve not just the educational system, but the Philippines as a country too. Everyone have dreams for their future, to become a doctor, an engineer, an architect, a lawyer, or even a member of the military, and it requires good education. Good education is to good job. Good job is to good future. And good future is to good life. We can't have a good life if we don't have good education. So we need to work hard and learn for it. We need the knowledge to solve problems going to our lives. If we quit on school, we're like quitting on ourselves. We need to set our goals for our education even in simple ways, like doing homeworks, paying attention, studying the lessons, and reading books. Don't be scared to fail, because failure is the first attempt in learning. I'll give some example of the people I know who didn't give up on their failures. First is J.K. Rowling. Her first Harry Potter book was rejected 14 times, but then she didn't give up and finally the book was published. And second is Michael Jordan. He was cut from his high school basketball team and he lost hundreds of games, but he didn't give up too. And now, he became the greatest basketball player ever. There are many benefits of K-12 program, and I am for this. K-12 program will enhance the educational system in the Philippines because we all know that Philippines belong to the countries with low educational system, and this program will uplift the education here in the country. This program will make the standard of education higher because 2 more years will let students gain more knowledge. The students will be more competitive. Look at the students in the United States of America. Even though they didn't step on college, they are very competitive because they are using the K-12 program. Another is, this will help the students for their preparation for work because the 2 more years will allotted for enhancing the skills of the students in business and entrepreneurship. It is the application and preparation for the reality. After they finish the extra 2 years, the students will now decide if they will step on college. If they really can't go on college, they can still work because the 2 extra years mold them and prepare them. We all know that not everyone can step on college because of financial problem, and this is the opportunity of the students to work even though they don't step on college. Just like what Farrah Falcon said, where you are right now doesn't have to determine where you'll end up. And lastly, the quality of education in the Philippines will be improved and we will not be ranked low in the area of education. In short, K-12 will enhance the educational system, make the standard of education higher, help the students for their preparation to work, and lastly, because it will improve the quality of education in the Philippines as a whole. Let's just try and accept these new changes, because these changes can bring improvements. Improvements that may lead to success, improvements that may change our life. Let's just support the decision of the government, just like what Aristotle said. The educated differ from uneducated as much as the living from the dead. Thank you.